Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Mozilla Firefox onto your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for the purpose of this video, and I'm going to navigate over to google.com. Once you're on to Google, you want to type in Mozilla Firefox and hit enter. One of the best matches should say download Firefox, and the web domain should be from mozilla.org. Left click on it one time to open up the Mozilla website here. You want to select download now. Now the web page might look a little different when you guys are viewing it yourself, because obviously this video is static in the time that it was recorded. But in the future it might look a little different. Just make sure it's a mozilla.com website, or mozilla.org I should say, up in the top. Left click on the download now button. Now depending on what web browser you're using, the installer or download might look a little different, but you just want to open it up like you would any normal program. So you're going to get a security notification here. Left click on run. If you receive a user account control window, make sure to verify publisher in here, and then left click on yes. Okay, so once it's done installing, you can set it to default browser. You just would follow along with the on-screen prompts, but that's completely your choice, and that's honestly about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.